If you want to permanently delete your Google Photos account, it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure that all your photos and videos are removed. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Sign into Google Photos. Open your web browser and go to the Google Photos website. Sign in with the Google account that you want to delete. Step 2. Back up your photos. Before deleting your account, consider backing up any photos or videos you want to keep. You can download them to your computer or another storage service. Step 3. Access account settings. Once signed in, click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the settings menu where you can manage your account. Step 4. Delete Google Photos. Scroll down to find the option that says delete your Google Photos account. Click on it and you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Read the information carefully, as this action is irreversible. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion of your Google Photos account. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Once confirmed, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. After completing these steps, your Google Photos account will be permanently removed. Make sure you are certain about this decision, as it cannot be undone.